Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing this refreshing mango juice, perfect for a hot summer day. If you want to see how I prepare this one, just keep on watching. Okay guys, here I have some mangoes. I'm going to wash them and remove the inner portion as you see me do. And I want to say thank you guys so much for the support over the years. Today will mark 2 years for me and YouTube. And I thank you guys for coming along with me on this journey. And please stick around. There's much more to come, okay? So here I'm just removing the inner portion. And after doing that, I'll just wash and peel my ginger. And the instruction will be on the screen. So guys, continue watching. Thank you guys so much for my 3K subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So see you at the end of the video guys. Keep on watching.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't
Okay guys, for a more natural juice, after adding the lime juice with the combined with the ginger and the mango, you can totally have it at this point, but I'm adding sugar to mine, and that's totally optional, okay? So just keep on watching and keep that in mind. You can totally omit the sugar, okay?
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you.
Okay guys, here is the end result. It was very refreshing and perfect for the hot days that we're having right now, especially for those of us in the tropical countries. And mango is in season, so make the most of it. So please check out this simple but refreshing mango juice. You will find it useful. And thank you guys so much again for staying with me and board on this journey. And as I mentioned earlier, there is much more to come. Just give me some time. My supporters, appreciate each and every one of you. New supporters, thank you guys so much for coming on board. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please tap the subscribe button below and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss another video. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.